Good Monday evening. Yeah, I came across a 1992 Campbell's ad. There was a picture of a soup, tomato garden soup. Looked really nice. Very simple. I like simple. This is pretty much it. Rice, mushrooms, and green peppers. The simple instructions say cooked rice, and it doesn't say to cook the mushrooms or green peppers. I sauteed the green peppers in a little oil. I don't want to be biting raw green peppers. We're only supposed to simmer this 5 minutes. I'm thinking we're going to simmer it 5 minutes and then we'll add the rice and maybe simmer it another 5. 10 minutes! Isn't that a nice picture though? And then I was thinking we could just sprinkle some chives and maybe some black olives over it. You know, for why not? It just makes it a little bit more gardeny. It doesn't say to add salt, pepper, any spices. So I've doubled up, 1/4 cup of green peppers. They shrunk a little after I cooked them. That's a 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup of mushrooms is now 1 cup. 1 cup of rice is now 2. Let's get the soup in the pot. Why am I eating Campbell's a lot lately? I'm making double the amount. We can 2 cans of water. Get all the lumps out. Okay. We'll get it heated up and then we'll start adding our ingredients. We're almost simmering. I'm going to start adding in the mushrooms. That's a cup of mushrooms. We could have added more mushrooms than that. And we'll get a little olive oil in there too. That's a very nice picture though. Alright, let's get her up to simmering. We're going to simmer this for 5 minutes. Then we'll add the rice. You going to simmer or what? Are you going to simmer or what? Simmer! Motherfucker! Sorry. I wonder why they said just cook it for 5 minutes only. You know? Their green peppers would be raw. I could have added more mushrooms. Next time. That's it. 5 minutes. 2 cups of rice. It actually looks very nice. This might look like the photo. Okay, so I am going to simmer this for 5 minutes and we'll be back for dinner. Let's throw in a couple of black olives. I hear ya. We don't need many. Just make it more like a garden. Hey, just a couple. You know, that's nice. Now that's tomato garden. Let's give it a try. Campbell's Tomato Garden Soup, 1992. Next time, I'll put more mushrooms, maybe. Let's try a black olive and some chives. It's totally Campbell's. Let's try a mushroom. Where's the green onion? Mushroom and green onion. How simple is this? That's tasty. That was probably a very fun soup in '92, even though it wasn't that long ago. Some of those pictures are fun. You've got beef and mac. I'm just saying. It's very tasty. Not enough mushrooms. I was afraid there'd be too many mushrooms. Boy, was I wrong. Oh well. Still, this is a very satisfying soup. 2 cups of rice is nice. It's not overwhelming. I love the chives. You totally have to have the chives. Let's just try an olive by itself. All right. Black olives and chives. Note to self. Hey, let's get some chives. Let's do that again. Hey, thanks for joining me this Monday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Yep.